Welcome back. The Duplicate Bridge Club is here to tell us about a very exciting event that starts today. And we have Greta and Catherine here. Welcome, ladies. Thank you for being on. And you're wearing your bright purple today because the longest day is benefiting the Alzheimer's, right?
That's right, and I'm here to talk about that.
Fantastic. Well, tell me about the longest day and what it means.
Well, the longest day is the longest day of the year, and technically that's Friday, but we're celebrating it at our club today and tomorrow, and then Thursday we will have 3 games. We'll have a morning game, an afternoon game, and an evening game. The longest day was actually begun by the Laguna Woods Village Duplicate Bridge Club, and it's now gone nationwide, and the ACBL sponsors it, and some of our games we'll be donating toward the National Alzheimer's and the ACBL, through the ACBL, but the Thursday games are all going to benefit Orange County Alzheimer's.
Okay.
So, and you know, bridge is the best thing you can do for your brain health. It stimulates, all the hands are always different, it's always a challenge, and that's the best thing for keeping your brain active. So it's a natural connection here.
Right.
But I did bring a few statistics that in Orange County, the deaths from Alzheimer's last year were 16,238. Wow. 268% increase since the year 2000. So this is just incredible. And the only way that we're going to stop Alzheimer's from just taking over is to donate money. So I really want to encourage everybody who comes to the Bridge Center to donate. There's a box there. We'll make it easy. And we have all kinds of materials to help you. This one has the 10 warning signs of Alzheimer's disease. So you can look and see if losing your keys is something to worry about.
Which I do all the time. And you know, that's one thing that I think we've talked about before, not necessarily just with the Duplicate Bridge Club, but with many doctors, because they have, you know, memory programs and things like that. And I think that we often do feel like, oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind because I'm forgetting things, I'm forgetting names, but that's just part of just the aging process, right?
It is.
Yeah.
Right.
To the extent.
Right.
And we all are touched by Alzheimer's.
Exactly.
I mean, we all know people, or we worry about it.
Right.
And
Right.
so the thing to do is to donate and also participate in any research opportunities that come along, because that's about the best things we can do. But if you do know people, the Orange County Alzheimer's has many, many ways to help us with caregiver support groups and materials like I've got here. And so on.
Well, this is important. You know, obviously I like this because, you know, it's so hot in the studio. But I like that, you know the 10 signs, and that's really nice to have. So you'll have these available for people at the Duplicate Bridge event. So now, earlier we were talking about today starting. So it starts at 12 o'clock noon, and that's your first game, right?
12:30 actually.
12:30, okay.
The cards appear on your table.
Great.
And then we're playing tomorrow at 12:30.
Okay.
And then on Thursday, 9 o'clock in the morning, we'll celebrate the longest day. First game at 9.
Okay.
And another at 12:30, and another in the evening.
Okay.
And those proceeds all to local Alzheimer's.
Okay.
Great. Yeah. Well, when you have a family member, I had a younger sister passed away of Alzheimer's last year. My father passed away of Alzheimer's, so I'm a bit concerned in that respect.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you play a lot of bridge.
I do play a lot of bridge. In fact, someone said, well, how often do you play? I said, well, let's see, sometimes if I play on Saturday, I probably play 6 times during the week.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So your memory is good.
Yes, it is.
Well, you know what, Greta, let's talk a little bit about what we were saying before, that, you know, the Duplicate Bridge Club here is very large. And tell me a little bit about it.
Well, we're the largest bridge club west of the Mississippi, and so we can hold up to 200 people, and we have something going on there. We don't have any game on Sunday generally, but 6 days of the week we have activities or games going on. So it's a great opportunity. In addition to the duplicate, there is a Wednesday night progressive game which is open to anyone who would want to play at 6:30, and on Thursday afternoon, 12:30, there's another progressive game. So those are additional games in addition to what our Bridge Club schedule is.
Wow, there's a lot of activities. And then you have some other things.
We have some other classes.
Okay.
We have on Saturday morning, Mike Murray has a 0 to 20 game.
Okay.
About 5 tables of players. I have been a mentor for that, and the mentors help with the bidding, because these are people that are new and need a little more help, but we're there for them, and it's a great opportunity. We have 2 beginners classes that are just finishing up, and the second series will be starting in July with Margaret Bennett.
Margaret,
That's really good too. And then I started a class, Brush Up on Basics, this month, and I was so enthused to see 5 tables of just eager players to learn how to do their no trump bidding, and they can just hardly wait to come back next month.
Well, good.
Because I'll be doing it once a month.
Nice.
Second Wednesday. We also have a couple of our players that are putting on pregame lectures, and those are very good too, and those are available to anyone who would like to come to a lecture before they play the game for the day.
They're free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Can I ask you a question regarding some of your, beginner classes? So for me, when I learned how to play poker, I had a cheat sheet. So like what beat what. So are the beginners allowed to bring their notes?
Oh, they have a book that they buy, and then we also have a lot of handouts that we give to people. And if they want to sit there and look at the handout, that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
This is part of the learning process.
Good, because I think that would be too hard otherwise. Because I tell you, bridge sounds very complicated.
You're not allowed to write notes.
But it is, and then another big event we have coming up is the 4th of July.
Yeah,
we're putting on
right
a
around the
big
corner.
barbecue at the club that'll start at 11:30, and people need to sign up ahead, but it'll be a fun day for everyone to come and play bridge, socialize, eat food. Oh, we got it all.
That sounds great. That sounds awesome. All right, and you have one more thing to tell us about.
Well, and then coming up right after the 4th of July, for the people who really are concerned about getting their master points, we have an instant match point game where they immediately know how they score on the hands, and that's always a big event too for our club. So we just keep doing things all the time.
Well, this is great though. You have to be on top of it because you have so many people that are involved and you want to keep them busy.
And always new people are moving into the village, and they contact us and say, when can I start to play bridge again?
Right, and that's why we're going, my goal this year is to keep education classes going all the time.
Great.
And this is what we're doing now.
Well, I think that's important because you definitely have more people moving in who want to keep going or learn more, and you guys do such a great job with all the different classes.
And
they've got
now
time.
they can learn.
They have more time, that's right.
Yeah, some
That's
guy
right.
came to a Saturday morning, and one of the mentors said to him, well, why are you here? He said, well, no, it's something good to do on Saturday morning.
All right, well, ladies, thank you so much, and congratulations, and good luck in raising money for Alzheimer's Orange County.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Okay.
And remember, if you want to learn more about duplicate bridge or any kind of bridge things that are going on here, you can always go to their website. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.